In the Pali coast itself, the nature's architecture of the island is these steep towering cliffs that are formed by erosion. Nature is constantly molding this coastline. But along with that is the adventure of the coast. It's completely secluded from the rest of the island. There's no way here except by water or flying over it. Captain Andy's rafting and catamaran expedition started back in the 80s. They have roots to way back in the past of being one of the first companies operating out of here. It has become one of the most renowned catamaran business and rafting business in the state of Hawaii. And on the rafts, it's one of the most exciting adventures you can do while you're on the island of Kauai. We bounce, we bump, we jump, we splash, we go under waterfalls. In addition to that, we're going to see things like dolphins and turtles. In the winter months, we see whales that come really close to the boats, and you see a big breaching whale jump out and just blow you away. The other things we throw into the trip is a beach landing at a place called Nuala. Now, Nuala, it's an archaeological preserve. It was originally inhabited by Hawaiians since as far back as 1100 AD. And they left around the turn of the century of the 1900s. And after the Hawaiians left the area, it got overgrown and forgotten about. And then throughout the years now, they've been studying this area, doing digs and so forth, and finding out a lot more about the culture here. While we're here, we do a walk through the ancient remains of the Hawaiian fishing village so everybody can see and even feel the past as they walk through here. It's just downright incredible.
Nuala is, like we were saying, part of a sister valley with Nuala Aina, and it was a fishing and main ceremonial place. In '92, with the repatriation of some kupuna iwi, the Pali Coastal Hana came in and was formed to care for this place and take care of it. We're really, really grateful for Captain Andy's. Captain Andy goes far and beyond anything to really support us and make it possible for us to have our work accesses here and to bring kids and youth groups and practitioners in.
Other things that we do while we're here at the beach is this is our lunch place. We have a picnic lunch, and it's a really high quality, probably one of the best meals you'll have while you're on the island kind of lunch. And the snorkeling is an unreal reef here. It's a lot of fun. We watch you, we give you instruction, and people have a blast here. The caves are incredible. We have 4 main caves, and then there's a lot of little ones that we can kind of poke into. But of the main caves, one of the caves is a 2-door cave where you go down about 100 and 150 yards and it's going pitch black and everybody's wondering what the heck is this guy doing? And then all of a sudden there's light and there's another cave and it comes out on the other side. We call that the 2-door cave. Got a waterfall right down the side of the cave. So as you're going down this long dark tunnel, you're passing a waterfall that's broken through the top of the cave. And then we have another cave that's completely enclosed, and you drive through a waterfall to get into it. You can't help but get wet going in there, and that's always a highlight of a lot of people. They want to come up here and get in waterfalls. We're driving right through these waterfalls. Then we have what I think is our premier cave on the island is you go into it and it doesn't have a roof. So I don't know if it's technically a cave, but you go in there, we call it the open ceiling cave, and it has a little island in the middle of it that Mary J. Blige did a music video on, standing there in 6-inch high heels. And you drive around that rock and the waters are this incredible blue in this cave. And that's one of our highlight of our caves. And those are just, the beauty is just incredible. Many people who do our trips say this is one of the best things they've ever done on vacation. I've even heard this is the best thing we've done in our lives. It is a fantastic trip, and I've been really blessed to be able to do this for the last 38 years and just enjoy watching people have a great time out here. If anybody's interested to join me or one of the many captains that work for us on a tour of the NaPali coast on either one of our exciting rafting adventures or on one of our more relaxed catamaran cruises, you can contact us or find us on the web at www.napali.com.